Hello, my name is John Rock and I'm a partner at DoxAdvisors. Welcome to another in our series of Docs Tips videos. Here is where you learn tips on how to be more productive with the new features in WorldDocs and, well, sometimes just cool fun stuff. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to use the My Chosen Favorites feature. Why would you use My Chosen Favorites? Well, because it helps you find your stuff faster. And really, why not, since it's so easy to set up and so effective in getting your files up on the screen faster. Let me show you how it works. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to use the My Chosen Favorites feature. There are 3 ways to easily access files marked as My Chosen Favorites. Let me show you how it works. First, let me show you how to mark files My Chosen Favorites. Open the WorldDocs file list window by double-clicking the drop zone icon on the desktop. Once in the file list window, let's say we have 2 files that we access every day, but they're always getting lost in the file list. Locate and select each of those 2 files. One is our daily timesheet, and the second is our daily to-do list. Now go to the left of the file description and you will see an icon. Left-click that icon until it turns bright red. You have just labeled these 2 files as My Chosen Favorites. So now what, you ask? Well, there are 3 ways to quickly access these 2 files. The first method goes like this. Click the Search tab to open a new file list window. Go to the left side panel, click on Favorite Files, then double-click on Added. Hint, hint, notice the bright red heart? And there are your chosen favorite files in the list. Pretty easy, isn't it? Now, our best practice when we search or find a list of files we plan to access regularly is to create a bookmark to those files. So click on the Add This List button on the button toolbar. Name the bookmark what you want to call it. I am using Favorite Files. Put a check mark in the Pin to Button bar box and click Save. Now you have a permanent bookmark available for you with one-click access to files you marked as My Chosen Favorite. And that is the second way to get to these files quickly. Still pretty easy, isn't it? The third way to get to these files is go to the button bar, click Favorite Files, go to My Chosen Favorite, and select just these. And your files are displayed in the window below. And that is how easy and effective using My Chosen Favorite Files is. And as you work, you can add new files by clicking the icon to make it bright red, or you can remove files by clicking to make it dull red. Use this feature to get to your selected files much faster and be more organized using WorldDocs. I hope you enjoyed this week's Docs tip, and I hope to see you next week for our next tip. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Click in the link in the description below for information on our WorldDocs Academy, where we take you from novice to expert at your own pace. Thank you.